What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Grok AI spicy mode not activating. If spicy mode isn't showing up or won't activate in Grok, it's usually because account, region or workflow issues. Just follow these steps. Firstly, open the Grok app on your Android or iOS device. Then go to the Imagine tab. Generate a new image or upload it from your device and wait until the image is fully finishes generating. If the image doesn't fully load, the video options may not appear, so you need to generate the picture first. Now once the image is ready, look for below the image. Tap the drop-down labeled Make a Video, and this menu where is Grok hides the animation styles. If you skip this step, spicy mode won't show at all. Now from the drop-down list, choose spicy mode. If it's grayed out or missing, double-check your subscription and restart the app. Even though it's free, you can do it on the free version too. After selecting it, you can continue creating your video with that mode enabled. If it still doesn't appear, you can log out and log back in, update the app to the latest version and switch network from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Also, you can check if the feature is temporarily disabled in your region. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.